So hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn that how to create synonyms and views in Oracle database. So what are the synonyms? Okay, so synonyms as an we use as an alternative, okay, for an object that already exists in the database. So you know that we use alias in Linux. So alias works as an alternative, or we can say as a shortcut that pointed the original commands. Okay, for example, if you are len the command or you want to go to the file path. Okay, so in that case, if the command is lengthy, so you can use alias there. So same way we use synonyms in Oracle database. So it gives us the alias or as an alternative for the existing Oracle database object. Okay, so you can see we selected Scott.student's name. So for creating a public synonyms, we use create public, then the object name which is public synonyms. Okay, and we are using this synonyms as an alternative for the table that belongs to the Scott scheme. Okay, Scott.students. So you can see standard std is an synonyms name at the, and it will act retrieve the data from the Scott.student name. Okay, you can see. So it will be act as an alias. Okay, for the Scott.students name. So what we will do, we will first format the text. Okay, so it will give us the text in the better way. Okay, so first of all we will set the lines for the 400. Now we will set the length for the owner table owner column as an 10. Okay, synonym name 20. For the table name column we will mention a20. Okay, so here it has been done. Now we will select only owner, synonym name, table name, and table owner. Okay, from the all synonyms. Here we will mention where clause, and where clause, after that we will mention the synonym name as a standard. You can see here owner is public. Okay, so every user in the Oracle database can access the synonym. Okay, so you can see when we queried the synonym name, it acts same as a Scott.student. Okay, so here we can also update the records in the students table. You can see here again we will use the alias. Okay, you can see that using the synonyms also we are getting the same result. Okay, so likewise we can create the synonyms. Okay, so these are act as in synonyms in the Oracle database. So for dropping the public synonyms, we can use drop, then the object name which is public synonym, and then the synonym name. Okay, so you can see we can again query it whether the synonym exists in the database or not. Okay, for that we will use all synonyms. Okay, from all underscore synonyms where synonym name is standard. Okay, so you can see it has been dropped. Okay, so that's why it's showing no rows selected. So for creating a private synonym, we will use create synonym standard. Okay, standard is the private synonym name for table Scott.students. Okay, so you can see it has been created. Now we will call that whether it created or not. Okay, so you can see. So now in case of private synonym, the user that was created the synonym will be considered as an owner. Okay, so he can correlate. Okay, so no other user inside Oracle database can have access to the synonym. Okay, so you can drop it as well using the drop synonym, then the name of the synonym command. Okay, so now we will try to create here now the views. Okay, so views are the objects in the Oracle database that can be used to retrieve the data from the actual tables or actual objects. Okay, so for creating a view, we can mention create or replace view, then the view name. In this case, we are taking the standard as a view name, and then mention as clause, and inside brackets, braces, round braces, we can mention the query. Okay, so in this case we are selecting all the columns from the scott.students table, so that's why we are using it. And when we query the view, it gives us the same result. Okay, so you can see here, when we modify the view, it gives the modified information from the table. Okay, so you can see here, right? So view has been created. So these are the views. Okay, so these acts as an virtual tables inside Oracle database. Okay, so it retrieves the updated or existing data from the Oracle DB. You can see also we have dropped it. So again, if you want to query that whether the view is existed or not, you can take the query using this. Okay, select owner, then the view name from the all view, in the where class just mention the view name. You can see it existed. Okay, now we can also drop it. When we drop it, we will erase from the database.